The Betrayal of the Brother Prayer. Oyekun Méjì Baba, Eyide Adifa fun Bareoko, Oyue Obini fun Okana refu Oruba. Story: Eyide and Bareoko were two brothers. Bareoko was the younger one, and he brought to his brother's house a woman who was a lady, intending to marry her. However, he needed money for the wedding, so he took her there and kept her in his brother's house for 6 months, while he arranged everything for the marriage. When he went to get her from his brother's house, Eyide told him that she no longer wanted to marry him. According to Eyide, she had confessed this herself. However, Bareoko was not satisfied with what his brother had told him. He decided to visit Orúnmìlà to perform osode, Ifa, divination, to clarify the mystery and find out what he needed to do. Orúnmìlà performed the osode, and Ifa revealed Oyèkù MÉJÌ. He then told Bareoko, "You need to perform Ibo, sacrifice, with 2 pigeons." Bareoko made the offering and gave the pigeons to Shangó. Soon after, a fire broke out in Eyide's house, and the woman who had been engaged to Bareoko had to flee with a child she had given birth to, Eyide's son. It turned out that Eyide had been secretly having relations with the woman and had hidden the truth. However, Shangó exposed the secret, and Bareoko found out everything. He decided to marry another woman instead. Not long after, Eyide abandoned the woman and the child. In desperation, she was forced to turn to Bareoko for help, as she found herself in a terrible situation. Note: this path speaks of betrayal by a brother regarding a woman. If the sign appears in a negative context, osobo, it can indicate deception or a trap set by a woman.